Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I want to show you a formula to compute if a value is between two other values, x and y. So for example here we're going to try to compute with formulas if 5 is between 3 and 19, if 4 is between 8 and 24, and verify this with formula automatically for any kind of numbers. So I'll give you the file to follow with me. It's gonna be under the video. This way you can check and reuse it and follow with me. There's gonna be a link for you to download it. And I'm going to show you with formula how to do this. So to do this, we need to verify two things actually. Is the value greater than x, and is it lower than y? So there's two tests that we need to combine to compute this. So what we can do, first we're going to compute the result as true or false. Is it between x and y or not? It's going to give us true or false. And then we can, for example, display it as a, we can display whatever message we want. We just take this. If this is verified, then we display, for example, between, and otherwise we display not between, for example. So now what we want is the condition, is it true or false? So to compute this, we need to verify two conditions. So we're going to use AND, the AND function, which takes two conditions and returns true if they are both true, and if either one or both of them are false, it returns false. So we need two conditions. The first one is going to be is 3 lower than the value, and the second one is it's going to be is the value lower than y. You see? So and x, the value y. Here it's going to return true. Here it's going to return false, of course, because 4 is not within that range. So that's how you can do it, and you cannot use, for example, a naive way would be to write a double inequality. So for example, right here, write this is lower than this is lower than this, you know, and this actually doesn't work. It doesn't make any sense for Excel. So that's not, you know, in a maybe mathematical way it makes sense, but for Excel it doesn't. So that's what you have to use. You have to use and make two conditions. And now it's going to compute whether the value is between x and y. We can make any other example. 19 is between 3 and 74. It's gonna work as well. So here I've used where's the formula? Here I've used a strict inequality, but of course you can use greater than or equal as inequalities. It's gonna work as well if you want to take into account the border case when it's equal to x and y. So that's how you make the if is in between function. That's kind of how we could call it in Excel, if is in between. I'll let you download the file right below the video. It's going to be available for download as usual, so you can check how it's built. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll be notified as soon as I publish it. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.